Hello, this is Dr. K, and I'm so excited that you're considering coming to the 8-hour intensive. This 8-hour experience with me is about distilling all the years of clinical experience down into a potent and powerful, really joy-filled, fun experience. You're going to be with really cool people from our local community. I'm really keeping this local. I'm not letting other people know about it right now. And so this is an opportunity, whether you're a therapist of some sort, or you're a doctor, or you're working with, massage therapy or other clinical skills within energy healing or acupuncture. This is an opportunity to come and learn what it took me 20 years and really millions of dollars in investment in personal development, but investment in studying applied kinesiology, hundreds and hundreds of hours of that, probably 1,000 hours now in functional neurology, functional medicine, nutritional work, homeopathy, laser therapy, deep emotional work. And the reality is that we can tailor make whatever it is that you're wanting to learn the most between you and your peers. You're like, what do we want to learn? We'll be able to pull from this and really tailor it to you. And so most people, even if they get to doctor level status, you don't even get into the room in these trainings unless you have some level of doctorate. And so this is an opportunity where you're not spending all these years in scholastic training. This is straight up clinical. Like, how do I fix my patient that's laying on the table? How do I stand out in an oversaturated marketplace? How do I really take people that are struggling, that are stressed out and burned out more than they've ever been, and actually take them to another level? And what ends up happening is people are like, wow, this guy that I'm seeing is really amazing. You should go see him. And then word spreads. Like, the way that I grew in practice was just learning and being obsessed with serving people. So I was always in training. I was always in seminars. And now this is an opportunity for you to take a serious shortcut and come and really have a good time with us. Spend one day, and for the amount of money that you'd spend in one treatment with me, you're actually getting the opportunity to get 8 hours of deep dive work. And so I'm invested in this. This is not just a way for me to do the next thing. This is something that I feel is really important in this time, because humanity's going through the most powerful shift ever in recorded history. And you are one of the people that are the healers. You're one of the people that is supposed to uplift and support your community in this time. And so I want to really, this is how I can serve. It's like a way for you to up level. So I am so excited. Please don't miss this. Come join us. We're capping it at 15 people, and that's it. So I hope to hear from you. I love you all, and I'll talk to you soon.